the simple method I used in getting my image from here to here. So this is how I shot the image actually. Then with just few tweaks in Capture One, I got the image looking like this. So let's go over it. I'm not going to be going through the sliders again, but I'm just going to, for me, let me just go back from the start. So let me just go back from the start so we can all be on same page. So first of all, the image was looking too bright. Before I started reducing anything, I reduced my exposure a little, then reduce my highlight to the finish, reduce my white to the finish, then bring down my brightness a little, then increase the shadow because I wanted the face to still be showing. Then after that, I came down here and I moved this like this. Looking at it now, I've already started having the amount of contrast that I think should be on the image. So I moved down here. I also moved this one this way. So obviously looking at it like this now, you're seeing a lot of contrast already. So I still push this up to make it look like this. So it was not like a lot of crazy things were done there. Then I came to this section here where I used the color picker. Then I picked the color here and it gave me this blue. The first thing I did was to bring the blue to that teal kind of green, that teal kind of blue. So I keep it around here. Then I darken it just a little. Then I came here, I did the same thing, push it like this, take this up. Then for my greens, I just had to pick. I picked somewhere here and I moved my green towards this side, reduce the opacity so it will look like the green is dying already. So I can still tweak this to see which area works best. So around here is fine for me. Then I can still come back, tweak this a little. Then probably everything is as good as it should be. Then I can also come to my highlights, check what my highlights will be affecting. Then I know what I am supposed to tweak. So my highlight is affecting the blue areas of the picture exactly as it should be. Then I think this color is fair enough. Then I'll just reduce it. Then now we have gone from here to here, here to here. So if you shoot your images with cameras like the A7 IV and it seems like your images are being blown out, you have nothing to worry about. So let's copy that and let's see what this is, and let's copy it and place it on these other ones. So I select all, then I paste. When you paste, this is what you get. This is exactly what you would get if you do that. Now look at this. It's looking very, very okay and very sharp. So you can send your image like this to the client. If you feel like the image is still too bright, you can come here, reduce the brightness a little. But I think it's okay the way it is. Then you can also do skin tone. Then pick a part of the skin, which is here. And let's tweak this a little. Let's saturate it. Then make sure we are trying to fix. So sometimes it's always good when you push higher, then come back. So I think this is okay for me. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe to the channel and I'll be dropping more videos like this. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next one.